To transfer XRP from Finance to a Revolut account, start by opening the Revolut app on your phone and navigating to the script option. Click on it. Then tap the Resub button, which will open a new screen. From here, scroll down or use the search feature to find XRP and select it. This will display your QR code. Click the copy button to copy your wallet address. Next, open the Finance app. Click on the wallet option at the bottom right corner, and then select the support option. This will display all your account balances. Click on the XRP option, followed by the withdrawal option. Select Send via Crypto Network, and paste the wallet address you copied earlier from Revolut. The network will be automatically selected. So simply enter the amount you want to transfer and click the withdrawal button. Your XRP will then be transferred from Finance to Revolut.